y'all can hear me. The truck is pretty loud. But I got our goosenecks on. Going to load some cows up, take them to the market. Y'all probably done seen the title of the video, but yeah, I'm selling these to get a Cummins. I'm about there. Takes forever. That trailer weighs quite a bit. This thing bogs down in third gear, going up hills. But anyways, hopefully I get that Cummins today. Well, it'll be today in the video, but I don't know what I'm gonna do to it yet. I want to mess with the AMC house and tune it up a little bit, try to get more horsepower out of it for free. But I already got a name, and I already got the decal with the name on it on the way, and now I just got to pick up the truck once we sell these. We're probably going to go pick up the check this evening at the market. Depends on how much it snows. It's supposed to snow today, and we're out of school. I was going to stay out anyway so I could do this, but it just worked out. But if we pick up the check today and it don't snow much, we might get it this evening. Because that guy's a lineman, and he's got I think he's on call or something like that, he said. We know the guy pretty good. But, well, I'm going to go ahead and get on up here to this red barn and load some cows up. Loaded, I'm heading back to the house right now to grab the old blue 24 valve 06. Oh, that's a good bump. It took us about a whole hour just to get them loaded because they're crazy down here. I don't know what it is, but every one of them's crazy. And then it's pretty muddy, and when I was trying to back out the road for the tractor and the trailer turning around, well, the trailer just kept sliding downhill, so I had to go below the head gate, and it's pretty steep. And then after I started back out the road, the trailer just started pushing the tractor, and about jackknifed, and we took out a fence post, our gate fence post with the trailer. They kept trying to get out. One of them stuck her head plumb through the fence, and I took the cow stick and popped her right in the face. Shouldn't do that again. Somebody out here in the road. Alright, well, I'm gonna get the Dodge and we're gonna head back. Hey, down some. Today is the day. We're gonna get the truck this evening, hopefully. If that guy gets home. He might have to work overtime. But can't wait to show y'all the truck. Some of y'all probably already know what it is. But I went to the cow sale yesterday. Went back that evening, got the check. And now this evening we just gotta go get the truck. Alright, I'll see y'all this evening. Hopefully we're going to get it. Yesterday evening, let's see how she cranks up. Alright, let's crank her up. It wasn't too bad. Mirror's vibrating good, but y'all can't see it. I'll go more into detail on the truck later when I get back home. I gotta get somewhere to do that. It's got brand new paint. yet. So the guy says the fuel pump ain't been messed with, but I'm 100% sure it has, because this thing dumps cold. I guess that's probably washer fluid. He said the airbag's it's always been on. I'm just gonna let her run for a minute. I want to see how she can crank this morning. I'll catch y'all when I get back later. Charging the batteries up now. Oh, I got a quick question for y'all. I gotta get these little mud flaps off. They have no purpose. But y'all see that block right there? Is that there from factory, or is that a leveling kit? Well, here's what the frame looks like. It's been a day or two since I last made a clip. I actually think I made one yesterday of it, but the alternator went out on this truck. I got it pulled into the garage for now. I think there's like a curse with this truck or something, because the last guy I bought it off of, when he bought it, the day he bought it, on his way back home, transmission went out, so the manual swapped it. And alternator went out on me. So I don't even know. But I'm gonna clean this thing up this evening. But this week, Friday, there will be a video coming out, probably Friday night. I'm gonna do a full walk around on the truck and show you everything about it that I know of. Which ain't it's quite a bit. But let's take a look at this beautiful engine. Right there is what messed up on me. The guy that painted this truck didn't mask nothing off, I don't think. But it's whatever. Don't bother me, really. The intake will be getting replaced one day anyways. It's pretty clean. So one of the cleanest trucks I've seen right around here in my area. It needs a wash. There's a whole bunch of scratches in the paint. I noticed that. Y'all can see it right there. I'll have to get some chemical gas stuff so I can get those out. Well, I know I'm going to add a few clips of me driving it this weekend at the end of the video. So watch till the end of the video. And there's a few clips of one of my friends came over to TJ's. And we went down the road here and I rode the Kodiak right here. And they had their dirt bikes. So I'm going to throw those clips in. But this Friday, video coming out on this truck. Full walk around. Everything I know of. Hopefully I'll get the alternator soon. So I'll see y'all later. If you haven't, well, go ahead and like the video. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And any questions? That's what the comments is for. Here comes Smokes. He says it's a no-go.